The Toyota Supra isn't just a sports car. It's a legend shaped by engineering, culture, and obsession. In the 1990s, Toyota didn't plan to create an icon. They wanted a high-performance grand tourer. What they built became the MK4 Supra. At its heart was the 2JZ engine, an iron block, overbuilt internals, designed for reliability, not hype. What made the Supra special wasn't just speed. It was how forgiving the platform was. You could push it harder, tune it further, and rely on it to survive. That trust is what turned owners into believers. From the factory, the power numbers were conservative, but the engine could handle far more than Toyota admitted. That strength changed everything. The Supra became a tuning platform. Drag racing, street builds, time attack. It wasn't just fast, it was unbreakable. Movies, video games, and car culture turned it into a global symbol. And with that legacy came pressure Toyota couldn't ignore. Years later, the Supra returned. Smaller, lighter, sharper, and immediately controversial. This time, Toyota partnered with BMW. Different engine, different philosophy, but the same goal, performance. Some said it wasn't a real Supra. Others said it was the best Supra ever made. And that debate defines the Supra's story. It has always balanced reliability and power, heritage and progress, emotion and engineering. The Supra doesn't live in the past, it evolves. And no matter the generation, the name still means one thing: performance that refuses to disappear.